I have here what I think to be the ultimate 98-piece nut driver and driving bit set. Yeah, I said 98 pieces from WorkPro. Unbelievable. I buy these little nut driver sets all the time. This one is the most complete I've ever seen. So check this out. There's something in here I want you to see. I think the beauty of it is right here. This ratchet. And it's a very well-built ratchet. 1/4 inch right here. It's about 3.5 inches long. And then on the top, it allows you to put whatever nut driver or whatever bit you want to put in it there. But the fact that you can put your sockets on it, and listen to this. It's 72 tooth mechanism. Yes. Knurled handle. A lot of weight. It looks really well built. I call this the centerpiece of this 98-piece kit. And then here, a nice little extension. Aluminum locking mechanism right there to put in any 1/4 inch. Right there is a socket adapter. So you've got 1/4 inch socket adapter, 3/8, even 1/2 inch. That all lives in there. And then this thing really builds up because look at that. That's hard to believe, but all the way up to 19 mil. And they're all magnetized. 19 mil. 17, 16, 15, 13, 10, 8. Then you do have some SAE here. You've got a 1/2 inch, 7/16. And then on the shorts, these are all SAE 1/2 inch all the way down to 3/16. Then you have your full metric over here, 13 mil all the way down to, believe it or not, 5 mil. And then here you've got a couple more deep sockets, SAE, your 3/8. And then, of course, you've got the handy one that you could just pull out. 5 through 12 mil, 3/16 through 7/16, all in that little holder. That's great. Here, you've got a 1/4 inch deep socket that has those magnets in it. You just kind of bite on anything. Say you just want to hold it, and it's handy at times. And then over here, you've got a 45-piece impact driver bits, and everything from TT30, TT25s, H6, H5s, PZ2, PH3, PH2, PH1, H3s, H4s, Phillips 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's the shorts and the deeps. All right there. They just pivot up like that. Let you see what you have. And it all comes in this convenient carrying case that does have a handle right there. You can see through it, which I always like the clear lid so I know what I'm missing. So check this out from WorkPro, a 98-piece nut driver and driving bit set, SAE and millimeter, and that handy 1/4 inch drive ratchet, my favorite part of the kit. WorkPro, build a better project.